Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Lizzie, a pet family and wildlife portrait artist specialised in coloured pencil realism, and thanks for clicking on this video. Crafties has very kindly gifted me this paint by numbers kit to try out and review, and I'll have an affiliate link and a discount code for you to use on their website in the description below. Inside the box, it provides some information on how to start your painting, some things to keep in mind, and also how to turn the box into an easel, which I think is pretty cool. As an animal lover, I knew as soon as I saw this tiger I had to paint it, and I opted for a stretched canvas frame, but you can also choose to have it come rolled. This is what the rest of the kit contains: a paint pot holder, acrylic paints and varnish, 4 paintbrushes, wall hangings, paint number labels, a colour guide, and a number reference sheet which comes in handy. Before painting, you'll need to label the paint pots with their corresponding number by referring to the colour guide in the kit. The pot holder is actually really helpful to keep them organised, so I really like that they included this. Grab some water and a tissue, and now we can begin. Right off the bat, the round brushes in my kit were all pretty much the same size, considering this image on their website shows them to be noticeably different in sizes. They are, however, still lovely quality and they work great, and I do have larger round brushes of my own that I can use. I sort of just prefer to use a pointed brush rather than a flat edge brush because it can give me a bit more precision. I always start with the eyes in my commission artwork, so instinctively I began painting the tiger's eye first. I found that the paint flowed smoothly and the brush held a good amount each time. Instead of completing each colour one by one like they recommend, I'm completing little sections before moving on, as this is how I best like to work. It's been years now since I've actually used acrylic paint, as I'm specialised in coloured pencils with my portraiture, so it's really nice to be creating something in a different medium after so long. With the lighter colours here, as you can see, the red guideline shows through quite easily, so I found that blocking down a layer of white all over before going in with the colour was really helpful in minimising these lines and the numbers showing through. This is the result when I was done after doing a couple of layers, which is expected with lighter colours, so it's definitely worthwhile. Despite being a creative child and always wanting to make something or draw or paint, I don't think I ever actually did a paint by numbers, so this is my first time doing one. My first impressions of this Crafties kit is that it's beautifully made, the linen canvas feels amazing, and the paints are actually good quality. One coat obviously isn't enough, but that's normal with acrylic paint. Nothing about this kit says cheaply made. I'm having so much fun with this and I love the amount of detail in it. I am a very detail-oriented person, especially in my work, as I do specialise in realism. Now, enough about me. I thought I'd tell you a little bit about Crafties as a company. Firstly, they actively promote independent artists and collaborate with them, paying them for their hard work and inspiring art, which I really appreciate as an artist myself. On their website it says, other than the creative benefits you gain, Crafties promotes the therapeutic benefit of paint by numbers. It allows your brain to take a break from a lot of the busyness and headaches you have in your daily life. All of the planning is already done for you and you will only need to paint. Crafting time is a great way for you to slow down and live in the moment. The repeated motion and tactile feeling of handling physical materials are really relaxing. This is why a second layer of paint is recommended, because you can see how uneven this area looks. I was initially skeptical about the amount of paint included, thinking there's no way that there's going to be enough for this, but I was pleasantly surprised that even after completing the kit, each pot is still about a third full. You can add a couple drops of water to the paint to thin it out, and this also helps it to glide better on the canvas. When completing the whiskers, I left these black sections till last because I knew I could neaten up the lines and make them crisp, so I didn't really worry about being too perfect with the placement of the other colours. This is real-time painting. It was a slow but steady process that definitely needed a steady hand. Crafties does actually recommend painting the darker colours after the lighter ones because you can neaten up areas with them. For some finishing touches, I painted the sides of the canvas with black acrylic paint for a polished, more finished look, and it makes it look quite snazzy. I also varnished the top once everything had dried to seal the paint in, protecting it from dust and ensuring the colour doesn't fade over time. Here's the finished painting in all its glory. I'm so excited for this. Ah! There it is! I think it looks absolutely amazing. I loved completing this Crafties paint by numbers kit, so big thank you to them for sending it out to me. I definitely recommend them if you're looking for something relaxing to do or to spend a couple of hours to help unwind in an evening. They're high quality at pretty affordable prices, and I already have my eye on 4 more kits from their classical art range. They also have diamond painting kits as well if that's sort of more your style. I would say this Tiger paint by numbers kit is probably at an intermediate level for adults. It does involve lots of tiny intricate areas that require a lot of patience with a steady hand, but there are a nice range of difficulty levels in their paint kits on their website from what I've seen, which is great if you're looking for something that has simpler, bigger areas of colour. Some look easier and less time consuming than others. Like I said at the start of the video, I do have a discount code for my watchers to use and an affiliate link in the description, so if you do buy anything through that link, I do get a small commission. It's not going to cost you anything extra, and of course there's zero pressure to do that if you don't want to. It just helps me out. To spread the love, I have gifted this painting to my sister as she's tiger obsessed. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you again to Crafties for gifting me this kit. If you did like the video, hit like, comment anything down below if you've got anything to comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.